because I don't
Oh.
Was it too many water is coming out?
The moisture.
Yeah, this more water is coming out. Yeah. And I only put the mushroom oyster. For me, only put this one. Yeah. Okay.
I'm right, thanks, Michael. On the right for this.
This is spoon, and he hasn't used his spoon. Really hot oil on it. That's why I want to check. Then you just fry them. Hurry up, we'll wait for the big one, big one. I've never seen it. I'll have to buy one of those gas cookers, won't we?
You can, but your home still can do. Yeah, when you
But I don't know if it gets that hot.
Oh yeah, they do get hot.
you can.
Oh.
If my home, I didn't use this one because for only myself, I use the small one. I do it like that. I put in the heating and make them warm with no water. And little bit, you put the hand, you'll be feel hot. Put the oil and put the ginger and just make slowly. You feel this smell and put some food inside. It's okay. It's everything's the same. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Sometimes I cooking, I will put some oil in. Additional flavor.
Extra flavour.
Extra flavour.
For me, sometimes after finish cooking, I say okay. No, it's same. Not all the time same. Because the food is make us is happy, but no way dry. Sometimes must like that. After you cooking, when you eating, you didn't feel happy. So when we eating, we feel it's happy. Our body all take. Yeah. If angry, they take the angry thing. So happy is good. 嚇？
我話佢哋坐咁近，怕唔怕啲水嗰個翻？
可以。
Oh.
I always go around. Okay, this one here, and I put in the flavor. I put in mushroom here.
Do you mostly use mushroom sauce in most of your cooking?
Yes. On that time, I will put in the egg because egg is sweet.
Scramble that egg and then put a bit of sesame oil on it or something.
Not sesame oil, and not all the time. Sesame oil not all the time, but sometimes I think I need that I will put it. Yeah,
with the
but
egg.
Egg.
The egg. What did you
No, egg is a no. That's normal. Normal. Didn't put anything inside. But sometimes put some salt. I will put some salt. And yeah, just some salt is okay. Yeah. I didn't put water. But sometimes would be my family, my mom would put some water. I don't like too many water, so I didn't put the water. Yeah,
Oh,
yeah, too juicy. Yeah.
you got a text.
Those tomatoes smell different So how many eggs would you use for that omelette?
What's the name?
How many eggs?
This one, and I put in 4 eggs. Sometimes maybe one, if your both guys more 600, that one maybe 2 eggs okay. Yeah, 3 tomato, maybe 2 eggs or 1 egg is okay, not many. Yeah, but many is yes, still quite good.
We need your recipes.
Yeah, oh, okay. You can sit down and I will give you a recipe.
Many people are, but we've
No, I put mine out a while ago.
got a sheltered area, which is all citrus trees and some of the gola, and they're self-summoned tomatoes, but they're 4 or 5
So I
years
guess I'm
old,
steaming.
and still growing and still
Okay,
got
we are okay.
the smaller tomatoes. They're 8 in a piece, beautiful.
This me oil put a little bit. That's like that's a little bit. Yeah. Okay, I turn off. I always turn off and put in the
It's a good oil, sesame seed, yeah.
broccoli. Yeah. They didn't change the color because the broccoli is easy to. Yeah. And then put in this one.
Coriander.
Ah, yeah.
Oh,
Okay. Do you like coriander?
Apparently,
not really.
apparently
Oh, I
something.
love it.
Oh, sorry, I didn't know.
No, it doesn't matter.
Oh, sorry.
Might be different cooked way you like.
Okay.
Yeah.
This
I can
one
feel it, but it's
with the rice is the best. You can get little bit rice and try.
Have it with rice.
Yeah, because I think too stronger flavors. I put little bit rice for me before.
some rice and mix up and
Yeah, mix up. Okay.
like that.
But in China, the chef they would do it this way.
Yeah.
So here,
Because looking online, before I'm in China, I'm working and I work in a restaurant. The chef told me when after you're cooking, put little bit oil, the sharp.
The food is soaring. We like really pretty here.
Yeah,
That's what a lot of the chefs do on MasterChef. They put things on.
yeah, put some oil. There's a looking the sharp. Yeah, and maybe put this one sharp. Yeah, there's maybe the smell when they're cooking. Yeah, they cook already. This is a pudding. You feel smell, but this one, the flavor didn't come. Just looking to be sharp. Yeah. Oil always cooking. Boil oil later. After you put in your dishes, the flavor is going up and the sharp. Yeah.
you like MSG.
Yes.
Thank you.
What time did you get up this morning to cut up all this?
Like yesterday, about 4 hours ago.
Yeah, I cut yesterday some, but this morning just slowly talking.
Because if you cook that soup, it takes longer. Yeah.
Yeah, the soup is longer.
Yeah.
The soup in China, in Canton, before they cook the soup, need 3 hours. But later on, they say no good because no good. They got some. I check the English. I find a competition. Competition coming. Okay, this one I check for.
I don't even know how you
Okay, this is one.
Takes a long time to cook.
Cook. What is one?